So lovelies, in this video it's a review video of this beautiful stunning products I got here from Steamery Stockholm. So this is the Steamery Cirrus No.2 and this is the Pilo fabric shaver. And yeah, so let's get started. And got this amazing product and really I couldn't really wait to unbox it with you guys, and I'm so sorry for that because I was just in the haste and I just wanted to try it. And yeah, because I really hate to iron. I don't like ironing. I can even go out with a rumpled dress. Like, I really hate ironing. Like, I'm so happy that I finally got this, and ever since I have only used this, and I will be doing a short tutorial as well so that you will really understand why I'm so happy. So let's start with the steamer. And yeah, so it comes in a box, of course. So, and then it comes with this travel pouch as well, and actually this is also meant to travel with. It's a kind of travel iron or travel steamer. And yeah, so I'm not traveling, I'm using it at home because I hate to iron. I hate that. So it comes with this travel pouch, and it's heat resistant. Written here, this is a travel bag and a steamy tool. Okay, you can use it like, just use it like your hand glove or whatever, so you can use it to steam. And yeah, so this is how it looks, and it has this leather detailing written Steamery. I don't know if you guys can see. So the name is written here, and it also has this leather detailing here. And yeah, so this is how the pouch looks like. And oh my goodness, this is the steamer. So this is the steamer, and you can see, let me remove this. And it also has this leather detailing here, which is wow, so elegant. This is a stainless steel. So this is where you open it, like here. You just need to pull it down. You pull it down and then you remove it. So you really need to pull it down, and when closing it you have to close it very. So this is the water tank. So this is how it looks, and this is the water tank. Here is the water tank here. So here is the water tank, and yes, so you can only fill 9 milliliter in, so you need to pull it back and be sure that no water dropping out. And yeah, so 9 milliliter is in here. And yes, you close it very well. You can't leave it like this, so it's not going to work. So you really need to close it very well. Like this, and then we plug it. Off my radar now. I just plug it, and you can see it's showing this orange or red light, and now it's green. So when it's green, then the steamer is ready to be used, so you can use it. So when it's green, so it's ready. And yeah, so let's do a shot.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where are you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now.
So lovely. Coming to the second one, the Pilo fabric shaver. So I started using this already when I got it, and this is really amazing. So this is how it came with this box. And do I still have any other thing inside? So this is actually I think there was a brush, and yeah, so it comes also with this brush, meaning when you're done, like, you can open it and just use this brush to, you know, to make it clean. And yeah, so that is why they added this beautiful mini brush. And it also comes with adapter as well, and you can use your iPhone or the Android cable to charge it as well. So you can use your iPhone charger for it, but it comes with its own charger. So, and this is where you just put it, and when you're ready to go, you just press here, start, and then you can go, and you hear this noise. And actually I'm gonna be doing this side, so to compare to this other side. So let's see, just press on.
Game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it?
So you can see, compare this side to this other side, the difference. This side, see the difference? So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, so coming to the price, so coming to the price, I got this for 119 euros 99. So let's say 120 euros, 119 euros 99. Why I got this for 39 euros 99 approximately, 39 euros 99, so 40 euros. And oh my goodness, these two are the best. You can use this for your cashmere product, your jumper, and all of your clothes, and these as well, so you can take it along when you're traveling. So it's not heavy, it's just 580 grams, you know? So it's not the weight is just 580 grams, and yeah, so not heavy at all. And yeah, so if you love my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, see you all on my next video. Stay blessed, love you all to the moon and back. Bye.